Alright, thought I'd do this video here. This is the Alberta guy, once again. It's the normal go-to when I see any of his trucks pop up on here. So he's got a 1967 Chevrolet C10. So what's he got here? He says 67 Chevy C10 pickup. It's an Alberta truck. Small rear window. It's got a 6-cylinder in it, 4-speed manual, runs and drives, and that's all he's got. So he's selling this thing for $7,200. I'll just go through the pictures here. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He's got 9 pictures up. See what he's got here. So pretty solid looking truck. I mean, so far anyway. Not bad really. Again, you know, like I always say before, this is something I really wouldn't. I would just kind of leave the body, you know, alone maybe just kind of clean up a few things, but I'd probably put it's got a proper bumper on the back of that thing. Dings and dents on it. He wants, what did I say? He wants $7,200 for this thing. Frig, yeah, $7,200. You could definitely convert it to a short bed. I mean, I'd probably do that. There's a company out that's called, I think they're called Brothers or something, and they got like a proper template kit where you can shorten up your C10s. I'll have to do some more research on that, because that's something I might consider buying if I ever get any money ahead. Sorry, as I wouldn't mind picking up a long box and chopping it down to a short box or something like that, like maybe like a late 70s or something. I don't know if I would do it to one of these trucks. Maybe, I don't know. It's hard to say. But yeah, like I would definitely put a proper rear bumper on the back of this thing, and like I always say, I'd probably just get a rubber mallet, see if I could pound these dents out maybe or something. Just do like a truck like this would be perfect content for me, because there's lots of how-tos and stuff I would do just for videos, like, you know, pounding out a rear quarter panel, trying to straighten it out, you know, just on your own without taking it to anybody, spend any money or something like that, you know what I mean? And then just see if you can find a cheap bumper to put on the back of it or something like that. I mean, hours and hours of content for sure on one of these trucks. There's the bed there. What's left of the bed. Again, this is something here, just, you know, all these braces here look like they're in pretty good shape actually, so even if they were bent just slightly, I would just try and straighten them out, and then you could just go to like a hardware, like a lumber yard, and just buy new lumber to put in here, and that's what I would do. I mean, clean it up, stain it, do whatever, right? So get some hardwood for it. I mean, it looks like it's not bad. Like these wheel tubs they're pretty nice actually. Holy whistling, look at that. It's pretty clean actually, to be honest. Even that tailgate doesn't look too shabby. I mean it's a truck and all, but it doesn't look too bad. Not bad. Got some might be a little bit of rust. Looks like there might be a little bit of rust there, possibly. The cab corners don't look too bad though. Missing some trim or something, looks like, but it looks pretty rust free, I think. Anyway, it's hard to tell if that's dirt or what. I think it's dirt, but it's got plastic over the seat, so the whole bench is probably just toasted, no doubt. Can't tell if that's a hole right there or what's up with that. We're just going by pictures here, right? 4-speed on the floor. It's kind of nice. Assuming it's got like a 256 cylinder in it or something like that. Pretty bare bones truck, but you know what? That's the way I like them, you know? Lots you can do here. Yeah, it's got the straight 6 in it. 250, I'm assuming. Maybe 235, I don't know. I forget what these trucks came with for a 6-cylinder. Could be the 250, I'm not too sure. You guys drop her in the comments if you know. Yeah, perfect truck to work on for sure. Lots of stuff you can do. Lots of stuff I would do. Not too bad, really. And it's got I don't know, not too keen on those cab lights for a 2-wheel drive truck. If it was 4-wheel drive, maybe, but I'd probably take those off and maybe weld up the holes or something like that. That's what I might do. I just can't see cab lights on a, on a two-wheel drive truck. That's kind of funny, actually. Not a bad little truck. Not too sure what to think about the price, though. Let me know what you guys think. $7,200. I don't know. I'm thinking $5,000, but like I said, this guy brings them back from Alberta, so you know it's quite a truck out there if you live in Ontario, Canada. And that's where this guy is from too, Kingston, Ontario. So you can't expect anybody to do that for nothing. So he's got everybody's like, the price of gas has gone just out of this world right now, and just to drive back and forth to pick these trucks up, it'd be friggin' expensive. Not gonna lie, you'd have to. I'm not too sure what he paid for the truck. He'll probably would never disclose that, but I mean, he's got to make his money, right? So, but it is a 67, it looks like, so that's kind of a nice looking. They got nice looking front ends on them, I gotta say. Definitely a truck I would snag on if I had the money or something like that, but is not always my case. Yeah, just it looks like Lucky's truck from Lucky's Garage on YouTube there. It's almost, that's what that reminds me of. Frankie's got a wicked LS motor in his truck though. Japers. Nice little outfit. I would probably shorten the bed up, I think. I would probably just drive it like this for a while and this kind of just ponder on the shortening the bed thing, but yeah, the bed is something I would probably tackle, and it'd be nice to do for a project, just to shorten it up or something, maybe. I don't know, just leave it. It's just one of those things you have to ponder on, just to, I don't know, see what you're feeling and stuff, what you want to do with this truck, and all that kind of nonsense. And the bumper, I would just kind of see if I could straighten that out. Yeah, just not bad looking truck. They got nice lines on them. I really like those 67 front ends. I mean, he probably has it priced accordingly because he knows somebody will probably scoop it up. I mean, it seems like there's people that have money these days. I don't know where it's coming from because of the way things are, but I don't know. People are finding ways to buy stuff, I guess. So I can't see this truck lasting. He just posted this 3 hours ago. I'm assuming it'll be gone probably within a week or two. I can't see it being 2 weeks, but I don't know. That's just my opinion. Yeah, not too shabby. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you later.